Hi everyone, this is Savardi, and for today's video, I'm glad to share with you how I made my soft ubi cheese pandesal. So get ready and let's start. And these are the ingredients that you need. In a bowl, mix 1/4 cup water, 1 tablespoon yeast, and 1/2 tablespoon sugar. Mix all together and let it bloom for 5 minutes. In a separate mixing bowl, sift 2 cups all-purpose flour, then add 1/2 teaspoon salt and mix. Add 1 egg and then beat in a low speed. In a bowl, mix 3/4 cup milk, 1/4 cup sugar, and 2 tablespoons ubi flavoring. Then set aside. Add bloom yeast mixture onto the dry ingredients. Then add the liquid mixture and beat for 5 minutes. Take note that the texture is liquidy. Add the bread improver paste and beat in a medium speed for 5 minutes. Add another 1 cup of flour and beat for another 5 minutes. This will help your mixture to form into a dough. add butter, and mix until well incorporated in medium speed for another 5 minutes. And add another 5 minutes mixing at high speed. And let it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, massage dough to release the air. Then cut the proof dough until your desired size. In this recipe, I cut 24 pieces. Flatten the dough, then put the filling inside, the cheese and the ubi halaya. You can close it like a dumpling style. Then roll it in the breadcrumbs. Brew for 45 minutes at room temperature. No need to cover for final proofing. Just make sure that your area is clean and insect-free. Take note that overproofing may cause yeast odor or it may taste sour. Preheat oven for 150 Celsius and maintain 150 Celsius all throughout the baking. Then bake the pandesal dough for 15 minutes. Take out the pandesal out from oven and let it cool for a while. best paired with hot coffee. Enjoy eating! And my son loves my ubi cheese pandesal. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.